So hey guys, welcome back to another video from Educational Studies. Hope you have like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so whenever I upload a video you can get notified. Please, I'm asking you guys to share this video. Please share it. So in today's video, what we'll be doing mathematics, and we'll be doing a few questions on scientific notation and significant figures. So here are a few computation questions that were part of the past CXE multiple choice. Learn them and do not fail the easiest part of the multiple choice section. So number one said the place value of 4 in the number 832.14 is A hundred, B tenth, C hundredth, and D ones. So in the event we would have learned that the number on the right side of the decimal point, the value would differ from the value on from the one, the number on the right side, right? So in this case where we have 4 and the 4 is on the right side of the decimal point, then the 4 would be saying 400ths. So our answer would be C. The number 2549 written to two significant figure is, so let's first identify our first two significant figure, which is 2 and 5, and the 4 and 9 we will replace them with 0. So our answer would be 2500. The number 32,747 written to four significant figure is, so our first four significant figure is 3, 2, 7, and 4. So we can round up the 4 to 5. So our answer would be B, which is 32,750. Moving down to the next, the number 2747 written to three significant figure is, so the first three significant figures is 2, 7, and 4. So the 4 can be round to 5. So the answer that we would obtain is 2750. Moving down to scientific notation. Okay, so what is 4.01 times 10 to the exponent 0, written in standard form? So in the event where, since we have 0 here, the value would not be the value would not increase or decrease, because there is a 0 as the exponent. So we would get back the same answer right here. So we would have, our answer would be equivalent to 4.01, which is C. And you can also insert it in your calculator. You can insert 4.01 times 10 to the power of 0, and then you will obtain the answer of 4.01. Now, in moving down to number 2, what is 0.00058 written in scientific notation? So our answer, we know that whenever we are dealing with scientific notation, they say you have 52,000. What you would do is, the fifth, the 5 and the 2, you'd put a decimal point in between them. So you will put a decimal point, and then the remaining value you will times it and put that remaining value as the exponent. So in this event where we have 0.00058, our answer would be 5.8, and we are going to count the remaining zeros that we have, which are 0, all right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and our answer is B, which is 5.8 times 10 to the negative 5. I'm so sorry for the background. So in question 3 now, I'm sorry. So in question 3, we have what is 6.92 times 10 to the negative 3 written in standard form. So in this case now, we would have insert this value in our calculator. Whenever time there is a negative exponent, it is saying that there is a zero. There is the negative exponent would be equivalent to 0. So whatever number is there, whatever number is there which is a negative exponent, that's the amount of 0 that are supposed to be in your answer. So in this event where we have 6.92 times 10 to the negative 3, then it is saying there are three zeros, and then the after the three zeros, then we have the 6.92. But in this case, in our answer, our answer would be B, which is the three zeros, 0 0, so 0.00692. So that's our answer. Moving down to number 10, the length of the Amazon River in South America is 6,400 kilometers. What is the length written in scientific notation? So, in this case, the same rules applied to when calculating scientific notation. So, our answer would be 6.4 um times 10 to the 3 kilometer. And why not negative 3 is because the zeros are in front, right? So the zero come after the after 6 and 4. So that's why it is not negative. But in the event where the zero would have came before the 6 and 4, then the zeros would have considered as a negative exponent, right? So in this case, we would have 6.4 times 10 to the third exponent kilometer. Moving down to number these questions are copied, so that's the reason they are numbered wrong. So a virus is viewed under a microscope. Its diameter is 0.000002 meter. How would this length be expressed in scientific notation? So we'd have two, so we would have 2 times 10, and we are going to calculate how many zeros are there. The amount of zeros that are in this value, then it is equivalent to the exponent that is supposed to be there. So we have 0, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So in this event we would have 2 times 10 to the negative 7 meter. And that's the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Hope you have like and share and subscribe, as I said previously. And please, I'm asking you guys to share this video. In our next mathematics um tutoring session, we'll be doing consumer arithmetics. Bye bye guys, thank you for